Okay. Not as high as it got when the levee broke right over about there 8 years ago, but high enough. Hopefully reinforced enough that this is strong enough and not going to break. This is a lot of water. And a lot of crap. Okay, sweat, bamboo. The swallows are happy. We still got another couple meters of height left. But who knows if it's gonna stop. It's supposed to rain really heavy tomorrow too. This is worrisome. Heading up to the Ariake. Oh. Some real good, a plastic box there. Got some interesting currents going under the bridge. You would not want to go through that. Little whirlpools and whatnot. That would be potentially deadly. Well, if you're wearing a life vest, maybe just dizzying. Oh, someone lost a ball. That's going to the Ariake. I'll tell you one thing, these floods sure clean out the river. I guess Kumamoto had their flood. Now it's southern Fukuoka's turn to get rained on. Hopefully nothing breaks. They spent a couple years strengthening all these levees, so hopefully they did a good enough job and we will not be, well, having to flee or at least stuck on the second floor. We'll see. I would really like this to start going down, but I do not expect it. Oh.